This video intends to show users how to set up a new wall type, allowing it to create a custom wall library if this is needed. To begin, go to System Settings menu, if available, into Building Component Libraries, and select Walls. The Walls library will open, and the libraries available depend on the customization. Thus, it may not be necessary to create a new custom wall library if this is already available. Notice that the walls that are part of the standard installation are not editable, as they are taken from the system side of the program. In this example, it is necessary to create a new library. This can be done by right-clicking in the white space in the Wall Libraries and Wall Types box and choosing the Create New Library command. Next, type in the required library name, and once OK is clicked, it will be possible to edit the parameters for the library. It is not necessary to change these, however, the user may like to change the description and the priority. Description changes what is displayed as the section name in the library, whilst priority determines its position. Once done, click OK and the library will be added, however, it will be empty. To add a wall to the library, it will be easiest to copy one from the existing library, whether this be from the system or custom libraries. In this example, a wall will be copied from the exterior wall library into the custom library and into an exterior wall section within this library. To do this, go to the wall library that the wall is to be copied from, select the wall, then right-click and choose Copy from this menu. Next, go to the custom library and right-click in the white space, this time choosing Paste. The wall library parameters for this wall type will appear. The wall type can be changed from the drop-down box. The selection group can be altered to change the sublocation of the wall within the main custom library. The name, file, and descriptions can then also be changed to suit the new wall required. If a custom framing library is set up, then this can be altered. However, in this example, there is only one framing library. To actually alter the framing tool, simply hit the Select button next to Framing Name to open the framing tools. A further row can then be added to this database by selecting the entry nearest to the framing tool to be added, going to the Edit menu and choosing Copy Row. The framing tool can then be set up as per the Wall Attributes video, ensuring that the framing name is altered. Continue to go through the different tabs, altering the tracks and studs, for example. Once the framing tool is edited as required, click OK and the framing name field will update appropriately. Now click OK and the wall will be added into the newly named section of the library. The user can then set up the layers of the wall as appropriate, ensuring that the frame layer that is used matches the profile. With these changes made, click OK to save the wall to the library. The wall will now be ready to use with the Insert Wall command. However, it is normal to have a brief processing period the first time running this command after making changes in the wall library.